Hello everyone, it's Kate and Weather here. Today I'm going to give you an update on Tropical Storm Kyle and Tropical Storm Josephine. I'm going to give you an update on track on both of these storms as they are about to go away pretty soon. Kyle's about to go away pretty soon, but I'm going to give you an update on track on both of these tropical storms, as well as the live infrared satellite on both of them, the track, and the future models. So stay tuned. So let's start off with Tropical Storm Josephine, then we'll get to Kyle. So Tropical Storm Josephine, the current information is maximum sustained winds is 40 knots or 45 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure is 1,008 millibars. You see the latitude longitude numbers there, and the movement was west northwest at 14 knots or 16 miles per hour. So now let's see the live infrared satellite on Tropical Storm Josephine. So this is the live infrared satellite on. As you can see, this is really strong here, bringing lots of heavy rain here. Good thing it's not on land, otherwise it would cause flooding. But it is on the ocean and is pretty strong with lots of rainfall. And actually, it's getting weaker and weaker as we go by. But it's really strong right now, and it's expected to be like that for the next few days. Then it will start to dissipate. But yes, it is pretty strong. As you see, there's a live infrared satellite. Now let's get to the track on Josephine. But here's the track on Josephine. As you can see here, it is expected to be a tropical storm for the next few days, like I said. But by about 2 a.m. Tuesday, so 2 a.m. on Tuesday, it's expected to be a tropical depression. And then it's not going to be a tropical depression for long, and then it's going to dissipate. But yes, still, it's expected to be a tropical storm for a while, a few more days, and then it will weaken to a tropical depression for like one day, and then it will go away and dissipate. So I'm going to get to the future models on both of these storms at the same time. So now let's switch over to Tropical Storm Kyle. So the current information there, you see maximum sustained winds was 45 knots or 50 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure is 1,000 millibars. You see latitude, longitude numbers there, and the movement was east-northeast at 18 knots, and 21 miles per hour. So that is the current information on that. So now let's see the live infrared satellite on Kyle. And if you notice here, it is way weaker and not as strong as Tropical Storm Josephine. That is actually moving out of the picture. So this is the main part of the storm, kind of leaving behind some rainfall, like it does when they're not so organized. Because when they get weaker, it's a lot weaker now. When they get weaker, they get more unorganized. Because when storms are big and they're really strong, they're more organized in one spot, and that brings more rainfall, it brings more flooding, and they're just stronger. And then when they weaken, they get unorganized and spread out with all of their things. Here, see, there's some here, and the main part's over here. It's just unorganized. That means they're weaker and they're bringing less rainfall. And you see, there's definitely less rainfall in this than there was Josephine. So that's what happens when storms get weaker. But now let's look at the future models on both Josephine and Kyle. So just so you know, this is the future models. Here is Kyle right here, and Josephine is a little bit hard to see here. Again, this is just one model, so the storms may look weaker than they are, but it's just going to show where it might go. So yes, but let's time this out. So we time this out, and as you can see, let me hit this here. As you can see, Kyle weakens very quickly. It's still pretty strong. Kyle's looking at Kyle right now, right here. It's still kind of strong at this point. This is about Sunday, and then as we go forward more, it really just starts. It's still hanging on there, and that's about Monday. It's still hanging on. It's definitely weakened below tropical storm limits, but it's still hanging on to heavy rainfall, and then it completely goes away by about Wednesday. That's for Kyle. Now let's back this up and look at Josephine. As you can see here, definitely Josephine is weaker than it really is. This is just one model again, like I said, but Josephine is definitely stronger in real life. This is just a GFS model. And you see Josephine is moving and then it curves, and Josephine still hanging on there. As you can see, this little circle right here, just so you notice it, that is Josephine there. And then we time this out a little bit further here, and then Josephine just I lost Josephine myself. I can't find Josephine. So Josephine dissipates by Tuesday. But that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more weather content. If you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment down below and I should be able to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!